Alrighty fam, comment below if you are following P.O. on TikTok. Let's get into it. Behind the scenes for P.O.'s first TikTok. Be Bet with the Lord Royal family. Let's get into it.
Cause I did the Armand and Trey challenge, I got a bunch of followers on TikTok.
You actually turned into a star.
No, I'm not a star. I just think people like laughing at me.
You're a star.
So Mod came over
Star.
and
to steal some clout.
yeah, he wants to use me for his TikTok. I don't know what he's gonna have me do, but I felt like this is a video. So this is the type of stuff that happens with TOPO. We normally don't put on the camera though.
Show them the first TikTok. What's good, y'all? It's your biggity.
Wait, we practicing this, okay guys? I suck at this, but he said that's what's gonna make it funny, so we're doing this.
Why is he doing a kid and play, y'all? He's doing a kid and play. He's doing a kid and play. He got so much energy. How you get all that energy, Mod?
No, that's not.
Oh, you gotta show them. Hold on, volume off just in case they try to copyright us. You guys see this? We doing the question channel. It's okay. We're just showing the type of talk we're doing, man.
Splash Twins, I watch you. You're one of the TikTokers.
Yeah, we're supporting black creators out here. Let's get it, Splash Twins.
Okay, Splash Twins, give y'all a shout out.
They go like this. Hold on.
First of all, you're showing out. You showing out. She's trying to get it and you doing the advanced version. Slow down. Help her.
Bro, I don't. Oh, can I just stop?
Look.
I'm gonna go to somebody else.
You distracted her.
Maybe they just do this.
Yo, come on, let's do it. Bust this talk out. Did you figure out your questions?
Bust the talk out.
I just feel like I'm not doing good with how they did it, so I have to find somebody else who does it simpler. Let me try this person. I never.
She almost got it, y'all. She trying so hard.
Hold on. I'm gonna do it one more time. What are you doing?
Exactly.
You saw that?
No. You on your New York stuff for real right now.
Yeah. Come on.
That's because he has a big head.
It's a biggity.
You doing too much behind her.
I don't know what's the questions. What are the questions I get asked all the time? Let me see.
Oh my god, I still got it! Yo, I still got it!
Can you
What are you
help?
doing?
Yo, look. I used to do this
Help her
with
though.
on the floor. Look. I'm still like that. Yo, who wanna battle? Like,
Who won a battle? The hat trick. He need to go out in Times Square. That's what they do that at.
Alright, so how many? It looks like 3 questions I gotta come up with, right?
Yeah, you do your 3 and then I'm gonna do my 3.
Okay.
Make sure your shit's is spicy though.
Like what? Damn.
Make sure it's spicy.
I'm gonna get this copyrighted, bro. Yo,
think about that.
man, we just gonna have to talk a little loud over here. You don't even hear the music. Questions I get asked, I don't know.
Not him reminiscing about a party.
I feel like the questions people want to hear from me is mad corny.
Why?
You have your 3 questions? I said talk loud so it doesn't hear it, and you over here laughing. Alright, bro.
Playing that shit down there. Look,
He doing a body roll to Mary J. Blige.
What I'm about to do. Is Lee still your manager? Are you blind?
Wow.
like we're doing TikToks together. Like, are you blind?
We could be friends doing TikTok.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. You gotta put on the face for that one though. That's what I'm saying.
Nah.
Yo, show the camera.
What?
Show the camera what kind of face you gonna say when I do that. I'm like, is Lee still your manager? Bop, 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 bop.
I have to make a funny face?
Yeah, really getting it. Really getting it. That's gonna be my first question. Nah, it's gonna be like my. Nah, that needs to be the last. Like, that's gonna be my. Like, we're doing 3 questions. Are you single?
Make it the final question.
I'm a thought. That's what I'm put.
I'm gonna put that.
What? They so silly together. He the only
Are you
one.
single? I'm a thought.
Nah, I'm not gonna put that. I'm not a thought. I'm really a good girl.
Yo, I hope your camera really catches Lee's real true colors.
I'm a good girl. He's cut out. He's cut out.
Niggas go on the camera.
Yo.
Cut out the what?
I'm a good girl, man. What are you talking about?
Wait, so why you
more
right
girl?
Because why you felt me right there?
Because I'm a good girl.
No, I said, are you single? I'm a thought. And then you was like, I don't think I would do that too. Because your initial point.
Then she remembered. She thought it would be funny and then it's not. So she just being serious.
I said I'm not.
Nah, your real
I'm not.
No, your real initial heart felt. It was like, ooh, that's real nigga shit. Yo, Lee, I'm gonna ask you a question. True or false?
What?
You can only answer true or false.
Okay.
Have you not told me that since you've been working out, you would thought?
Why you putting her on blast? You know she in a relationship. Y'all wrong. You wrong, Patty.
Like you,
Maud.
have you ever said that?
I just said at the end of
No,
my...
I said true or false.
No, that's not... I said I'm gonna be a thought. I'm gonna become a thought.
Don't do that.
But I'm not a thought.
Mm.
Big difference. Try to trip me up. Good job. Nice try. Not a thought.
You did media training before?
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah, with Queen. Picked up some pointers, you know?
Oh, that was a great spin. You fucking. You spun right out of that.
You know what everybody asks me, but I like to stay away from that. They be asking if we're together.
Comment below if y'all wanted that.
No, they do. That doesn't even make sense. We don't even have that type of chemistry at all. Like, I'm not saying you look bad, but bruh, you're clearly not my type. Where's the...
How
What
you
be
gonna
doing TikTok? I'm sorry.
How you gonna pan the camera to him, Lee?
I'm sorry, but this is what happened. But do I answer honestly, or do I play into it to give the T pages what they want? Because remember the comment BJ left, disrespectful. Like,
Well,
I've been making money, so. So like, I feel like I could kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
we could really go viral right now.
Dubbed it.
He's so excited.
It's a good one. a good one. I'll put this shoulder up. Put
You
this
could do the
shoulder.
same thing. What if I go like, do you pay your own bills?
For you? I hope you do.
No. Oh, duh. What? What?
I don't know if you have the joints paying for it.
You got, yo, what's good, DJ? Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah, he's busy, disrespectful.
Yo, bro.
Ooh, Lee, man. She said, why you doing her like that?
Nigga, you texted Lee, yo, I see you getting money. Lee said, nah, that's disrespectful, because I've been getting money.
Nah, it's cool.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna call you back. Nah, but niggas be saying like, y'all be paying my bills.
Oh. Okay, does Spicy Gang pay your bills? Yeah. That could be your question.
Yeah. I'm hyping her up.
That mom wants me to do.
Why is he so hyper?
You're breathing hard.
That's great! Oh my god!
Don't lose it, bro.
No.
I don't know if I could get the I don't care as passionate. What are you doing back? I didn't realize what you was doing back there.
I was just hyping you up, like, yeah, like, I'm glad you standing up for yourself. Go ahead.
But yeah.
All the energy.
So Mod came here just to make me do TikToks. Actually, guys, story time. He really doesn't come to see me. He says specifically he wants to use me for TikTok. But that's our relationship.
See yo, sis.
You see the cover?
Yeah. Go visit your sis.
Oh, it's
He
just
messed
private.
up.
No, I
He
did.
messed up my TikTok, guys. The one first TikTok I did, Mod messed it up.
No, because you have your privacy. You have your own privacy settings, so that's why. Now you're up. Now you're on the top. There you go.
Oh, guys.
Tell everybody to go watch your top.
Go watch it. It's the first official TikTok. You know, go check me out. Spicy Management. SPICYMANAGMENT.
Oh, look at you rapping.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
It's my turn to talk.
I guess we're talking. All right. So which one you doing?
I'm doing the same one right now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, you know I gotta do that.
Am I in the back hyping you up?
Yeah.
No, I don't have a hat. Alright, I got you.
This is our new life. We're about to be consistent talkers. Every time we do a YouTube video, we're gonna talk.
She said, nah.
I don't care. What the fuck you care?
You're taller than me, so you're blocking me.
I put this soda up. I put this soda up.
She throwing cups. That's so goofy. Why she laugh like that? And she is dying over there. I feel like he really the only one to make her laugh like that. Him and Queen. Cause she can't breathe.
What? I don't have a hat.
I put this soda up. I put this soda up. I put this soda up.
Yo, why are you just randomly?
I don't know. I just went with the feeling.
Yo.
She went with the feeling.
Lee, you're a viral TikTok. Yo, y'all. Look at this. I'm trying to be serious.
I put this soda up.
Comment below if y'all saw that and laugh.
I put this soda up and I jump him. Cause I don't care. I don't care.
Guys, also, Amon was supposed to come through. He didn't, as you can see. I'm just stuck with Amon.
Don't do him like that. That's why he don't come to you.
When should you ask to be paid back? That's a good question. Like, what's too much? And does it depend on the person? This is not a talking video, but like, I just have, now that we talking
I'm
about
not
it.
gonna lie, I don't rush to like ask people who I know got it for their shit back. Like if Clarence owed me some money, like Clarence is a nigga that could owe me money, not because he be really owing me money. You know what I'm saying? Like, he don't be really owing me money like, oh, I'm looking for Clarence, he owes me money. It's just like, oh, I paid for something and he just didn't pay me back yet. But it's like, I'm not running him down because it's like, it's not like he's struggling. I know he has it. So if I ever in the gym and I'm like, bro, give me my $300 that I bought these tickets for, I know, like, well, yeah, bro, here's your $300. You feel me? But it's tough if you know
is it different
that nigga might not have your $300.
Then you want it back immediately.
Yeah, like when you were, like sometimes a nigga, like, you feel me? If somebody owes you money that has money, like, you almost can't be broke. Like, you feel me? Like, you feel me? Like, Clarence owes me $300. I know he has $300. So it's like, that $300 is always good. It's like stored up for a rainy day. That's
it's like,
He think it's his bank.
FDIC.
yeah, I look at it like, yo, that's stored up for a rainy day. When I need that $300, I'll hit him and it's gonna come right to me. But
Alright, so does it depend on the person having money for you, or does it change by relationship? Like, what if it's a girl you're dating?
Person by person. Oh, girl I'm dating?
Versus a friend versus
She
family.
better beat it. She better figure it out.
Mod.
Like, what you mean? Sorry if I hurt your lady feelings, but like, we gotta be close for me to just be coming out.
So for me, you're gonna have to run it. I don't care. It could be $1. Matter of fact, there's a guy who used to live on my block back in the Bronx.
Nah, the Bronx. Run her money.
He still owe me $1. He asked me to get him some fries
$1.
from Kennedy Fried Chicken. He ain't paid me back, and
Why she put the amount and the place?
I still want my $1. So when I see you, I want my $1. My mom told me never
She said it's on site.
What do you think about this?
lend money to people if you need it back. You feel me? So most times
That's true. Just give it if you need it back.
people who know
I
me
mean,
know
don't give it if you need it back, but if you don't need it, just give it away.
I pay for a lot of people's stuff. I don't be tripping. So listen, guys, there's really nothing special about this video. I just why are you laughing?
Like, don't downplay your video.
What ain't nothing special about the video?
Because I feel like we be thinking things out, and like lately I haven't been thinking. I just been grabbing the camera. Queen's calling.
Okay, time to clout chase.
Stop.
Yes.
Who's that? Is that mine?
Yeah, we doing TikToks.
Yeah.
I'm very happy to see y'all working back together, you know?
Yeah, we'd like to see you and Clarence do the same.
Oh, that was petty.
Petty fam.
We also have a vlog still dropping, and you know, we still working.
Stay on them, Lee.
But
Alright, y'all. Thanks for tuning into the TOPO channel. This is us doing TikToks for the first time. Mod wanted me to do it. I didn't really care to do it. Say hi to our YouTube channel, Queen.
Hey, Queen.
oh, what's up, YouTube channel? She is capping for you guys.
Say what's your name?
Not
I'm sorry,
capping.
I didn't catch it.
My name is Samantha.
Samantha Hill.
Samantha.
Yeah, I knew your name was Samantha Hill.
Alright, peace. What's the bet, Queen?
We're gonna bet that we at least have 3 more vlogs uploaded, 3 more videos this month.
This month.
Ooh, y'all heard it there. 3 more videos from the Royal Fam.
Okay, so let's look at what we
Yeah,
got
we only got
left.
7 days left, so if we get 3 more videos this month, you know how hard it is for us to post.
Like edited and posted.
Yes, edit it and post it.
Alright.
Edit
What do you
and
think? You think it's going to?
Talk about before.
I think they could do 3. I think 4 is where I would have came in on the bet.
This is the bet. Mind you in this too. I know you got your own apartment.
Yeah.
If y'all lose the bet, y'all have to come over and have a sleepover with us. Have to.
Not a sleepover. Ah! Oh, I hope they lose now.
Listen, we're gonna bake cookies also, and we're gonna wear sleepers.
Bake cookies and matching sleepers, y'all. I want to see that.
Okay.
Okay.
And if we lose, then y'all still sleep over. Say no. But if we lose, then it's up to y'all. Then what?
Alright, if you lose, then you have to get your boyfriend to feature on the TOPO channel. Both of you.
Ooh. Queen and Claire on the TOPO channel.
Have to make an appearance.
Oh, okay.
Alright, but that's the bet. Before the end of the month, if the royal family doesn't shoot, edit, and post at least 3 YouTube videos on the royal family channel,
This is good. This is good
then
content right here.
Queen and Clarence have to
Yes.
feature on one of our YouTube videos.
What? Stay still, bro.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
He got all this energy.
They have to feature on our YouTube channel in a video doing whatever we say. And if they, if we lose because they do post, then we have to go to the royal house and spend the night and bake cookies with Queen.
Shout out
And
P.O.
wear
Queenie.
slippers. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click a bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Thank you, Petty Fam. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us 100K, please. We're trying to go up there. Thank you, Petty Fam. To like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell. Become part of the Noto Squad. Get us to 100K.